Hello and welcome to the Jungle Secret Water Tomato Project video number 1. It is March the 12th, 2015, and we're here to start documenting these 6 plants. Need to do a little bit of catch-up work here. These 6 plants, 2 of which are the Park's Whopper and the Heinz Superaroma and the Husky Cherry Red, were purchased on February the 3rd from Home Depot in a small almost clone type container. And from there, on that day, February the 3rd, 3 started receiving Jungle Secret Water, and the control continued with filtered tap water. February the 12th, these 6 plants were transplanted and as exact as possible, nutrient, perlite, and soil, and they were replanted with 2/3 of the stalk into the soil, and that was February the 12th. So today, it has been 38 days since the separation of the Jungle Secret Water and the control water, and it has been 29 days since they have been transplanted. Want to do a little bit more of a backup with some specifics on each plant. The Park's Whopper control fell over, if you will, on February the 26th. I purposely did not stake these plants to see if they would stand tall, and as I thought, the Park's Whopper Jungle Secret did not need a stake until March the 11th, which was yesterday. The first fruit to appear on these plants was on March the 1st, where there was a fruit appeared on the Park's Whopper, and fruit appeared on the Husky Cherry Red Hybrid. Now I'd like to do some documenting on specifics of the plants and where they are, and starting with the Park's Whopper. This is the control Park's Whopper. I can tell you, I pre-counted before filming this that there's 3 pieces of, or 3 fruit on this plant. We'll go down and do my best to take a look, and we can see that down in here, yes, we do have a more mature fruit and then a relatively new fruit, and that is it on this plant. There are some blossoming areas, 2 or 3. Then we move over to the Park's Whopper Jungle Secret. We're seeing multiple blossoming areas, and here we have what were part of the original fruit that I spoke of on March 1. 2 more mature, larger tomato, and now we have our 3rd, which showed up, I believe, last night or yesterday. Now to the Husky Cherry Red, and again, I pre-counted. I'll do my best to go in and show you, but this plant has 11 fruit. It does have multiple blossoming areas, and here are your first 2 in here, and then we go down to a cluster down in here, and over to here, where there are 4, it looks. And again, the total count here is 11. And now we go over to the Husky Cherry Red Jungle Secret, and I can tell you on this plant there are 20. And there are more fruit clusters. We start back in here, where there's actually 5. And we move over to here, where there are 4. And then we go in. There's a large cluster here. And then down to the bottom, where there is another cluster of actually 6. There are 2 behind. So, as far as the Heinz Superaroma, it looks to be like there is soon to be quite a bit of activity, but there really is not anything to report on the Heinz Superaroma. This is the end of video number 1. We are going to continue this. Forgive me, I am not a farmer and I'm a new gardener, and I'm certainly not a videographer, but plants don't lie, and I think we're starting to see that one of our claims of a 50% increase, up to 50% increase in yield, is starting to show itself, especially with the Husky Cherry Red. So, thank you very much, and we will see you soon.